The CDC has released a new update regarding the COVID-19 vaccine, dropping their universal recommendation. But what does this mean for you and your family?
Western Mass News reporter Madison Lisowski joins us live in studio after getting answers on what one local doctor is urging patients to do.
Yeah, Chris and Amanda, the CDC updated their recommendations for the COVID-19 shot, and local doctors are still pushing for patients to get vaccinated each year.
The problem with that is going to bring up a blockage of ability for people to get the vaccine.
It's going to make it a little more difficult for people to get their COVID shots. In a statement released just yesterday by the CDC, Deputy Secretary of Health and Human Services Jim O'Neill wrote, "Informed consent is back. CDC's 2022 blanket recommendation for perpetual COVID-19 boosters deterred healthcare providers from talking about the risks and benefits of vaccination for the individual patient or parent. That changes today. This means instead of having the luxury of getting vaccinated for COVID at your local pharmacy, you'll need to talk to your doctor about the benefits and risks first. The CDC's goal is to make sure patients are informed on the pros and cons of the vaccine beforehand, but it will add an additional step to the process. Dr. John Kelly, a pediatrician at Redwood Pediatrics, tells Western Mass News exactly what the group means when pushing for informed consent.
And in some parts of the country, that means that if you want to get it outside of a doctor's office, you'll probably need a prescription or a doctor's order in order to get it, because that will prove that you've had the informed consent.
Still, he believes that it is extremely important to get your COVID vaccine annually, even though the pandemic is long over.
The COVID vaccine isn't necessarily to prevent you from getting sick. It's not so good at doing that from COVID. It prevents you from getting seriously ill, going to the hospital, going to the ICU, or worse things.
The Massachusetts Department of Public Health Commissioner has signed a standing order that authorizes pharmacists to give COVID-19 vaccines to any eligible individual who wants to receive it. So seemingly, that extra step does not apply here in the Bay State, at least for the time being. For now, reporting live in studio, Madison Lisowski, Western Mass News.